Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you are an affiliate or partner because channel points require eligibility. This unlocks the reward system. Once confirmed, open Creator Dashboard and go to Community, then Channel Points to toggle them on. Next, set a simple point economy. Choose Earn Rate, 1/2-minute intervals, and Max Redeemable to prevent runaway inflation. Do this now so you have a controlled foundation. It makes later customization predictable and prevents viewer confusion. Once channel points are active, you configure the reward catalog. You create core custom rewards like highlight or shoutout and assign costs based on expected frequency. Make costs high enough to be meaningful yet reachable. Then set cooldowns and maximum uses to avoid spam and organize rewards into tiers: basic, premium, and community-driven, so viewers can plan spending. Also explain why each reward exists in your panel. It reduces abuse and aligns viewer behavior with your stream goals. To finish, test every reward with a secondary or test account while streaming privately so you see the flow from redemption to execution. Once satisfied, monitor redemptions and engagement in the dashboard to iterate costs and cooldowns for balance. If something fails, first clear cache and reauthorize Twitch connections, then confirm your affiliate/partner status and role permissions. If problems persist, toggle channel points off and back on to reset configurations. That one troubleshooting step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.